Have you ever wanted to know how to bowl better on medium patterns? Well, you know what? This video is for you. I get asked a lot of the time, how to bowl better on the mediums. It's a lot like bowling on a house shot. Well, you know what? There's ways of doing it good, ways of not doing it right. My name's Scott Pohl. I'm a past PBA champion and a member of Team USA. In particular, we're going to get into it, where to make the right selection, how to start out on the lane. We're going to give you the rule of 31, how to decipher that the right way and the wrong way. And then we're going to get into ball selection. Even start with surfaces for medium patterns. We're going to get out a lane spreadsheet and show you a lot of great information, where to begin, how to play the pattern the right way, and not make mistakes. Last but not least, it's going to be all about the practice time involved and lane transitions. We're going to get into lane transitions, how to stay ahead of it. There's going to be a couple different ways to attack it. I guarantee you'll learn a lot more about how to learn to bowl on medium patterns. Let's get out there, we'll show you how.